This video will show you how to replace the operator on a Siteline EX wood awning window. There are two types of operators depending on the size of the window. Smaller windows will have a support bar connecting the two operator arms, while larger windows will not. This video covers operator replacement for smaller awning windows. First, open the window fully. Next, open the handle to the open position and use a small flathead screwdriver and loosen the set screw on the handle base. Now, gently insert a putty knife under one side of the operator handle cover and rotate until it snaps off. Score the joint between the operator cover and the frame. Next, gently insert a putty knife between the operator cover and the frame and gently pry upward to release the staples and remove. Now, remove all screws from the operator that are accessible. Move the lever on the operator arms and lift the arms to disengage them from the sash. Now, remove the rest of the screws in the operator. Move the arms as necessary to access the screws. Remove the old operator and set the new one in place. Secure the new operator with the provided screws. Re-engage the operator arms and lock with the lever. Then, reinstall the operator cover. Now, position the new replacement operator handle cover over the operator and press until it snaps into place. Slide the new handle onto the splines on the operator and close the window. Move the handle on the spline so that it will nest properly. Tighten the set screw and test for proper operation. For additional information and complete written instructions for tasks depicted in this video, visit www.JELD-WEN.com. Or if you have questions, call us at 1-800-JELD-WEN.